Hey babies, how are you? This is your girl J Baby and welcome back to the channel. Y'all, I'm like really like mind blowing when it comes down to the Janet collection because they contacted me again and I thought that we were like at the bliss of what was going on far as the Janet Cork Canvas mannequin head right here. It's a DIY wig kit and it comes with all accessories that you need as far as the canvas head and everything, and this goes from a size of 22, 23, I'm thinking 21, 22, 23, something like that. And it has like the glue, the stand, the needles, the T-pins, the clips and all of that. So they came out with this. So I was like really mind blown and excited. This is how the Cork Canvas head look. But check this out. They came out, I'm like really tripping y'all because they came out with another it's called Easy DIY Custom Wig Kit and it's 100% natural virgin REMY hair. This kit comes with 3 bundles with 13x4 temple lace frontal, and it is a easy DIY custom wig kit. It's a complete wig kit, and it has T-pins, bonding glue. I mean, it has everything. This is what's going on in this box. I mean, this pack is a DIY wig kit, but it also comes with hair. Now you can either get it with a 13x4 closure, frontal, or you can get it with a closure. So I'm like, what? This is what they came out with now. Do you see this? I'm like, are you serious? So it comes with this complete wig kit box included, which is, you open it on up and they have this box, this little bag in here, little package in here, and inside of it you get the ESHA lace wig bonding glue, a little trial size one. You get, what is these? The aromatherapy, ESHA aromatherapy oil blend for your hair, skin, and aromatherapy. It's like a little perfume packet thing, I'm thinking. I don't know. Then it's another one in here. It comes with the needle that you need for weaving, the curved needle you need. It comes with some more thread, well, thread. It comes with actually the metal clippings this time. I don't know how many is in here. You get like 2 of them inside the packet. You get 2 of them. They give you a wig cap inside of it, and this wig cap is really nice and really stretchable. It's like mesh, like, well, it's see-through for ventilating for your hair. They have, oh my goodness, they have the 3 combs. You know, the one to go here, here, and one in the back. They have 3 of those. So I'm like, are you serious? And it is some T-pins inside of here. I don't know how many T-pins is in there, but there are some T-pins in there, and I'm like, what is the Janet collection really doing? So I'm going to actually use the bonding glue that I got with them from the last time. Now this tells you what you can get, and actually it comes with either you can get, and it comes like this. This length is in, what's the length? 12, 14, and 16, and it's natural. Bundle hair 3-piece, 13x4 temple lace frontal. So I'm gonna be doing a quick weave with this. This is like blowing my mind because I'm like, what? So this is the frontal that you get. And of course I'm going to be sewing the frontal down with the weaving thread that they gave me. And the bundles are right here. These are the bundles. The hair is nice and silky. So I don't really do short hair, but I'm trying to get into short hair now. As you can see, I have short hair on now. But I'm going to be actually using the bonding glue. At first I use the weaving thread. When I will post a video, either the end screen or either probably something up the top to show you the last video that I did. But I'm like I'm really excited. It does not come with the Cork Canvas head, but I am going to actually use the Cork Canvas head to do the wig. So I'm super excited to do this because I'm like, they are really coming out with some awesome things and very affordable that we can be able to get our hands on. And I'm like really happy that they chose me to be able to tell you guys about it. Alright y'all, so I done put the frontal down already. I done went on and sewed it down and everything. So I got to cut the lace off of here. I'm just gonna cut the lace, and you don't have to go zigzag on it. I mean, this is gonna be in the back area. Let's see if I can use like some type of clips or something. That way you can see what I'm doing. Okay. It don't have to be perfect because this is in the back area actually. Now I didn't show me sewing this because I'm pretty sure by now you guys know how to sew down a frontal. But I also used a bag underneath of here, guys, because you don't want to mess your mannequin head up. And I'm going as close as I possibly can to the lace. So I'm going to cut this on the side right there. Okay, if you see this right here, I'm not going any closer. Okay, so my frontal is down. I'm pretty satisfied with how it looks. So I'm just going to go ahead on and just put that away. And I'm going to be starting with the back area. Now, the first length I'm going to be starting with is the 16 because it comes like this. We have the 14, the 16, 14, and the 12. So, I'm going to be starting with the 16-inch bundle, and this bundle is not long, but it's a 16-inch, y'all. 16-inch. So, let's see what it looks like. You can get this much hair, so it's not much, but it's enough to do a whole head with because remember you have the frontal. Hair nice and silky. Natural black, and it's straight. I don't know if it comes in body wave, it probably do, but it also comes in a closure and not a frontal. So my first thing I'm going to do is just go ahead on and line it from, actually you know what, I'm just going to go ahead and take it from the nape here to here. And the bonding glue that comes with the DIY wig kit, the Cork Canvas kit right here. It's on here on the back. So this is her right here. I'm just gonna basically just be laying tracks, guys. Just laying them out, honey. That's it. I've never used the ESHA bonding glue before, you know, to do quick weave, so I'm hoping that this is going to be good. Okay, so the glue seems to be pretty good. It sticks like pretty good. So, I mean, I like the glue. It seems like any other bonding glue, actually. This is what it looks like in the back. And it sticks pretty good. Okay, so what I'm going to do is probably just put on some music for you guys. That way I don't bore you guys at all while I go ahead on and just proceed to do this video, okay?
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's party, baby. Wig Kits, let's
It's
go.
Wig Kits.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing to prove. She ain't got nothing to lose. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Standard.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island team. Beauty now your body, girl, me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, girl, your fire can cool. Wait, she said she want the rundown. Bad man, na me, they run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she know on this time. Bad man, me na give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me na give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
But you see that it needs a heck of a lot of plugins to customize it.
Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you.
1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, girl, I do it for you. You, get it on me. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me.
It's a holding spray, and I'm also going to be using She Is Bomb hair wax, and this is really good. I use this for everything, guys. I have the hair wax and the edge control. I'm just going to use this here to flatten this part down a little bit, and I'm going to also straighten it out with a straightening comb. Okay, guys, so I am finished. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, God. Oh my goodness, this was like a long process for me, but I have a really nice style. I'm not gonna put down any gels or anything, any eco styling gel or anything to it, because I would like it natural looking like this. The hair is really nice and short. Let me take my jacket down something where you can see. It's really nice hair though. I really like it. So this ESHA bonding glue is the bomb. Now we also know that the ESHA Absolute, the hair is down really, really good. But like I said to the frontal guys, you are gonna have to do your customization. You're really gonna have to pluck this because honey, if you don't, yes. But of course, this is the easy DIY custom wig kit. 100% natural virgin REMY human hair comes with it. It says 3-piece bundle with 13x4 temple lace frontal, but it also comes with, though, you can just get the closure. I saw that. So it has what is this? This kit features three virgin REMY human hair bundles, which is 100% Brazilian virgin Brazilian hair. It says, oh my, this hair is sourced from a single donor to ensure consistency in the texture and the pH balance. This hair does feel like it came from, it feel like actually your hair, you know. Okay, 1 natural lace closure or lace frontal, soft Swiss lace, 1 mesh net dome wig cap, double lace wig cap with adjustable straps. I didn't use the combs, guys, because I don't like combs in my wig, so I didn't use it. Weaving thread, 2C style weaving needles, 2 duckbill clips, 10 T-pins, and an ESHA lace wig bond to protect for quick weaves and custom made wig units. So that's what I use, and this is what the packaging looks like. 1-pack solution system. The lengths that I got was 12, 14, and 16, and it's natural state, and it is straight hair. So I'm gonna leave a link down below where you could be able to get your hands on it if you would like to purchase another DIY wig cap. Which this is good. If you already have a mannequin head, which is the Cork Canvas head that they came out with, you can get this. If not, then you already have it, then just get yourself, you know, the DIY wig situation, and it comes with the needles and everything you need to be able to make a wig. So this is what she looks like. Of course, I didn't put no concealer in here, guys. I should have, but I didn't put it in there. Sorry. We are done. Okay, anyway, you know, like your girl J Baby always says, she says be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off.